Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking. So in this video we're going to learn how to download and install Fortigate Firewall in GNS3. Okay, so for you to maybe have this beautiful infrastructure, you need to download and import or upload these images on GNS3. So I already did videos for Cisco images, Cisco layer 2 switch, layer 3 switch, Cisco router, as well as Microsoft Windows 10 client and Windows Server 2012 R2. So I also did for Fortigate, but now let me just do it again so that maybe you get the images as well and the step to do the installation, right? So without further ado, I'll just let you know that so I have them on my Google Drive already uploaded, so you can just download on your local PC and then we proceed with the steps that I'll highlight. So I already have the two images, which is FortiOS.qcow2 as well as MT3G 30G.qcow2. Right, so after having the two images, just click on new template and just go with the past recommended step and go to firewalls, and choose Fortigate. Okay, click install, go with the default state. Okay, click next, and remember we want to install version 7.09. okay, all right. So here we have version 7.09. It's here, right? So what you need to do, just replicate it. I mean, just duplicate it and rename the new version. Create new version. Test. Okay, and okay. And now here is very important. Disk image file name. Go to your local computer and copy this FortiOS.qcow2. Okay, copy that. Okay, then replace that one, right? Okay, and MT30G.qcow2 also, ensure you copy it correctly so that you don't run into challenges. Okay, and then also you place it there. Okay, right. Okay, so the next stage, just scroll down. The newly created version is always at the bottom. Here it is. Just scroll here and now import the images. Click on FortiOS.qcow2 and come to the directory where the file is stored. And you just choose the new version, the file. Okay. Okay, as well you choose the last one, which is .30G.qcow2, and you import. Okay, ensure you import the correct file. All right, so just wait until it's done. All right, so when it's done, just mark on the newly created version, click next. Okay, and remember, we're being advised that our username is this one, no password set, and just click finish, and that's okay. So we have our new our Fortigate firewall here. Just pull it here, drag it there, and right click, start. Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm getting an error of memory. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to power off some other machines so that they release memory. These labs require a lot of memory. Okay. Okay. So let me just connect this Fortigate firewall to at one of the cloud to that port. Right. And then let me turn it on now. no, that click and turn it on, right? Okay, so let me just double click, and here it's booting. Okay, so we have our interface here, where we can, the terminal where you can actually log in. So the username was admin, the password was empty, so I'll use password as admin also, admin. Okay, and then actually we need to access this Fortigate firewall. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say config system, config system interfaces, right? Then which port is this connecting to the cloud? It's port 1. Edit port 1, show first, mode is DHCP, although this is not our DHCP server, so let's just set mode to static, show. So we have an IP address set, but as well we can just set that IP. Okay, so what you can just do, you can just okay, and then you go to config system global, then we set a name, set a username, set host name to be GTH firewall, exit, and all right, so you see the names there, and we've set this interface with this IP. So what we can just do, we can just copy that IP and paste it on our browser here, and let's wait, see. Yeah, okay, so username is admin, password is admin, but so we're able to log into the Fortigate firewall, and now we can do some configurations here. Okay, all right, thank you so much, guys. I will leave a link on the description part of the video on how to download these images, so don't worry about that one. And we are going to start our Fortigate firewall configuration. Please follow this series of training, subscribe to this channel, share with friends, and always drop a comment whenever you visit our video. Thank you and bye bye.